Do you think you need to risk thousands just to get started in crypto? Nah. Welcome to low-risk, passive income strategies that actually work, even if you're keeping your 9 to 5. In this video, we're walking you through 5 real-world ways people are earning with crypto in June 2025. No hype. No Lambo talk. Just clear, practical moves. Let's get into it. Strategy 1. Stablecoin yield farming. Let's start with the most beginner-friendly, stablecoin yield farming. You buy stablecoins like USDC, USDT, or DAI. These are digital dollars. No price swings. No drama. Then, you deposit them into trusted DeFi platforms like Aave, Curve, or even a centralized hybrid like Femex Earn. How to set it up? Buy stablecoins through Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Transfer to a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Connect to Aave, app.avenue.com, or Curve, curve.fi. Deposit your stablecoins and start earning 5% to 15% APY. Platform bios. Aave, Ethereum, Arbitrum. Aave is a decentralized lending protocol that lets you earn interest by lending crypto assets or borrowing against them. It's trusted by institutions and DeFi veterans alike. Curve Finance. Curve is a DEX optimized for stablecoin trading. It offers low slippage and high rewards for stable liquidity providers, making it a go-to for earning on USDC, DAI, etc. Femex Earn. Femex is a centralized exchange that blends CeFi and DeFi, offering user-friendly access to crypto savings accounts with flexible or fixed yields. This is the crypto version of a high-yield savings account. Start with $50, $100. Whatever you're comfortable with. This is your slow, quiet path to freedom. Strategy 2. Ethereum Liquid Staking, Lido. Next up, Ethereum Liquid Staking through Lido. Let's say you own ETH, but you don't want to lock it away for months. Lido lets you stake it and receive stETH, a liquid version that keeps earning while staying usable in DeFi. How to set it up? Buy ETH on Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. Send to MetaMask wallet. Go to stake.lido.fi. Connect wallet. Stake ETH. Receive stETH. Now you're earning around 2.8% APY automatically. No lockups. No technical headaches. Platform bio. Lido Finance. Lido is the largest Ethereum liquid staking platform. It lets users stake ETH while keeping their assets liquid through stETH, which can be used in other DeFi strategies. It's open source and community governed. You can even use your stETH as collateral in lending platforms or restake it via EigenLayer, which we'll get to later. Strategy 3. Solana Liquid Staking, JITA. If you're holding SOL, the native token of the Solana blockchain, you'll want to know about JITA. JITA lets you stake SOL while keeping it liquid as JITA SOL. But they also boost your earnings using MEV. That's miner extractable value. How to set it up? Buy SOL on Coinbase or Kraken. Download Phantom Wallet. Go to JITA. Network. Stake. Connect wallet. Stake SOL. Get JITA SOL. Your JITA SOL automatically earns rewards and remains usable within the Solana ecosystem. Platform bio. JITA Labs. JITA is a Solana native staking platform that uses MEV, miner extractable value, strategies to boost staking rewards. By staking SOL through JITA, users receive JITA SOL, which can be used across the Solana ecosystem. Average APY? Around 7.3%. That's a strong passive stream. Strategy 4. Yield farming volatile pairs. This one's for the more active user. Yield farming volatile token pairs. Here's the deal. You buy equal values of 2 tokens, like ETH and USDC. You deposit them into a liquidity pool on a decentralized exchange, or DEX. You get paid with trading fees and rewards. Top platforms right now. PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain, SushiSwap. A multi-chain platform, Radium on Solana. How to set it up? Pick your token pair. Add both to a liquidity pool. Stake your LP tokens in a farm. You can earn 30% to 100% APR. But this comes with risk. Mainly impermanent loss. When one token's price changes too fast, you lose value. Platform bios. PancakeSwap, BNB Chain. The #1 DEX on Binance Smart Chain, PancakeSwap offers high-yield farming and low fees, with an easy interface for beginners. SushiSwap, multi-chain. Sushi is a community-led DEX that operates on multiple chains. It offers yield farming across volatile and stable pairs, plus an expanding set of DeFi products. Radium, Solana. Radium is Solana's leading AMM and liquidity provider. It offers ultra-fast trades and lucrative farming pools thanks to Solana's high-speed infrastructure. This is for the more hands-on investor, but it can really pay off. Strategy 5. Restaking via Eigenlayer. Already staking with Lido or Rocket Pool. Eigenlayer lets you take your steth or reth and restake it, earning layered rewards while contributing to the security of emerging networks. This is advanced DeFi, but it's growing fast. How to set it up? Stake ETH via Lido or Rocket Pool. Receive steth or reth. Go to eigenlayer.zi. Connect wallet. Restake. Your ETH now earns double. Base ETH staking rewards extra yield from restaking protocol's platform bio. Eigenlayer. Eigenlayer is an Ethereum protocol that allows users to restake their staked assets, like steth or reth, to secure additional networks or services, earning layered rewards. It's considered one of the most innovative protocols in crypto right now. This strategy is for people who want to maximize ROI while staying inside trusted ecosystems. The tools you need to start. Now that you understand the strategies, let's get real about the tools. Because the gear you use can make or break your confidence and your results. Here's a generous breakdown of what you need to start strong. 1. Wallets. Your crypto wallet is your digital vault. It stores your assets and lets you interact with DeFi apps. MetaMask is the go-to wallet for Ethereum and compatible chains like Arbitrum and Polygon. It's browser-based, easy to set up, and supports hardware wallet integration. Phantom Wallet is ideal for the Solana ecosystem. It's fast, simple, and mobile-friendly. Make sure to write down your recovery phrase securely. No screenshots, no cloud storage. If you lose this, you lose access. 2. Centralized exchanges. CEXs. You'll need a platform to buy crypto with fiat, like USD or MXN. Use Coinbase. Great for beginners. Kraken. Low fees. Strong security. Binance. Global access and variety. After buying, transfer your funds off the exchange into your wallet. Not your keys, not your coins. 3. Portfolio trackers and dashboards. Once you're earning, you'll want to keep track of everything. Zapper and DeBank show your wallet's DeFi positions, staking balances, and yields across multiple chains. DeFi Llama tracks platform stats, APY rankings, and total value locked, TVL, so you can compare opportunities. These tools give you real-time insight to manage risk and performance without guessing. 4. Safe testing grounds. Want to test DeFi without risking real money? Use testnets. Projects like Aave, Uniswap, and Compound often have test environments where you can practice with faucet tokens. Start small on mainnet with stablecoins like USDC on Aave or Femex to get a feel for wallet connections and transactions. Use small amounts to learn. Consider it tuition. 5. Education and research tools. Avoid the hype and get informed. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap to check token prices, project stats, and histories. DeFi Safety gives transparency ratings on protocols. Dune Analytics for custom charts and data dashboards. Follow thoughtful creators, not meme pages. Look for signal, not noise. 6. Bonus tools. Security and backups. Use Ledger or Trezor for hardware wallets. Bookmark verified links. Never Google. MetaMask login. Enable 2FA on all CEX accounts. Separate wallets for yield farming versus savings. Use password managers to avoid sloppy mistakes. These tools won't make you rich, but they'll make sure you're in control while you get there. Start light. Learn deep. Tools are what turn theory into movement. Let this be your essential toolkit. Well built, reliable, and sharpened over time. Just like you wouldn't build a house with broken tools, don't try building financial freedom on unreliable platforms. Revisit these platforms often. Keep your systems updated. Learn the small habits, bookmark safe links, verify contracts, double-check before signing. In crypto, these aren't just details, they're defense. The best investors aren't the ones with the biggest bankroll. They're the ones with the cleanest workflow. Risk management in DeFi. Before we wrap, let's talk about something critical: staying safe in DeFi. Because opportunity means nothing without protection. Here's how to stay sharp. 1. Smart contract risk. Even trusted platforms run on code. If there's a bug, funds can vanish overnight. Stick to audited platforms like Aave, Lido, and Eigenlayer. It's the foundation of most DeFi protocols, but one overlooked vulnerability can be catastrophic. Check for audits, active GitHub updates, and bug bounty programs. Avoid unaudited protocols with flashy promises. A well-maintained codebase is a green flag. If a project stops communicating or updating, that's a red flag. 2. Rug pulls. A rug pull is when devs drain funds and disappear. It's happened to thousands. If the team is anonymous, tread carefully. Hype is not security. Look for transparency and history. Don't just follow influencers, do your own research. Check LinkedIn profiles, GitHub commits, and third-party reviews. If something feels off, it probably is. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it likely is. 3. Impermanent loss. This affects liquidity providers when token prices shift. You may lose value even when the pool pays out. Understand the risks before farming. Use IL calculators to estimate your exposure. Stablecoin pairs reduce IL drastically. High APY might not cover your losses. Think long-term. Short-term swings hurt. Always reassess your pools during volatile markets. 4. Stablecoin risk. Not all stablecoins are equal. Stick to USDC and DAI. Avoid unknown algorithmic stablecoins unless you understand the mechanics. Check if the reserves are fully backed and audited. Depegs can, and do, happen. Regulatory shifts can impact stablecoins overnight. Diversify if you're unsure. Follow industry news for compliance risks. 5. Wallet safety. Your wallet is your vault. Use a hardware wallet for serious funds. Never share your seed phrase, ever. Use separate wallets for daily DeFi use and long-term storage. Double-check URLs before connecting. Watch out for fake mobile apps and browser extensions. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. Multi-sig wallets add an extra layer of protection for team or shared assets. 6. Start small, then scale. This is a marathon. Start with $20 or $50 to test and learn. Scale up when you're confident, not when you're emotional. Treat your early losses as tuition. Track your results. Adjust based on data, not hype. Risk tolerance is personal. Respect yours. Small wins build confidence. This is about freedom, not gambling. Financial freedom isn't just about chasing returns. It's about protecting what you're building. Market overview and context. Let's zoom out. These platforms, Aave, Lido, Eigenlayer, Curve, Sushi, and more, make up the top TVL. Total value locked in DeFi as of June 2025. Billions of dollars are flowing through these systems safely. This isn't theory. This is how real people are quietly stacking income, globally, 24/7. Start with $50. Learn the tools, watch your confidence grow. Bonus insight. Let's take a moment to go deeper. What's really happening here is a shift in financial power. In traditional systems, banks, brokers, and centralized exchanges make the money. In crypto, the tools are open. You become the lender. You become the validator. You collect the fees. These passive income strategies aren't just about returns. They're about reclaiming roles that were once reserved for financial institutions. It's a new kind of digital ownership. Transparent, borderless, 24/7. And the best part? You can scale at your own pace. Grow your portfolio, expand your strategies, and still keep your day job. Now, let's bring it home. Closing message. Crypto doesn't have to be crazy. You don't need to bet the house. You just need to move with purpose. Start small. Start with stablecoins. Or stake ETH. Or test Solana. Whatever you do, stay steady. Because freedom isn't about quitting your job tomorrow. It's about building options today. Follow Act2 Express and Act2 Express for more crypto strategy. We're builders. We're culture shapers. And we're walking with you toward a more independent, soul-driven future. Let's move smart. Let's move together. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest crypto strategies, creative tools, and financial freedom tips from Act2 Express.